back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, then my name is Vippu, and today I am gonna do this eye makeup tutorial. And this is a very intense brown smoky eye with a glitter liner, and I also winged this liner which is looking extra glam, and I do shared a few tips and tricks in this tutorial, and if you wanted to see what are those, then let's get started. So my eyes are prepped and I have set it with the powder. I haven't decided what I am gonna do with this white and silver work on it, so I am not sure what I am gonna do with this dress. And yeah, so for today's look I am gonna use my Jaclyn X Morphe palette. Okay, I think I have some idea what I am gonna do today. Something sort of brown smoky eye with a silver glitter liner, I guess. Let's see. So first I am gonna start with this brown shade over here. The name of this shade is Mocha, and I will pack this eyeshadow on my eyelid area. I am packing this very close to my lash line. So I'm gonna pack this eyeshadow till my crease. I will not take it into my crease, but a little below to the crease. So this is exactly my crease, where my crease is. So I will pack it a little below. And to blend this eyeshadow, I am gonna use this shade right here. The name of this shade is Puki. I will blend my eyeshadow with this. So for blending, you don't have to take too much eyeshadow in one go. Take a very small amount, just dab and then dust out the excess and then blend. And for blending, make sure you are holding the brush from very far, so the pressure is very light, and blending is the key, guys. So like I am building up the color in my crease very lightly. So to make it more intense brown, I will take this dark color right here, and the name of the shade is Chip. I'm going back to the same color I have applied first on my eyelid, which is Mocha, and I am blending these two colors. For my lower lash line, first I'll be using this lighter shade. I will mix this one and this one, and I will smoke out my lower lash line. If you are facing difficulty in blending the eyeshadow in your lower lash line, you can place your mirror like straight in front of your face, and then you can easily go under your lash line. And if you are someone like me who have very long lower lash line lashes, then you can move your mirror a little upwards, and this is the easiest way to do your lower lash line. This way the lashes are not at all coming in the way of the brush, and it is very easy for me to apply the eyeshadows. I am going with the darker brown and going very close to the lower lash line. For my waterline, I am using this Faces Ultime Pro Mystique Kajal in brown 02, and I'm gonna line my waterline with this. Lining the actual eye shape. Now I am using this Atrio Silver Glitter Liner, and I am gonna line right above where my black eyeliner is. So as you can see, I have also created a little wing with the silver glitter liner, and I am gonna do exactly the same thing on the other eye quickly. For inner corner highlight, I am gonna use this color right here. The name of this color is Obsessed. I will also highlight my brow bone with the same highlighter. So I am applying lots of mascara to finish this eye look. So we are done with the makeup, and I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then please do give a like to this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!